Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to take up a very interesting topic. We all love celebrating festivals, don't you? Yes, I also love celebrating festivals and I look forward to festivals. There are lots of things which happens during festivals, right? We do a lot of things during festivals. So today I've thought of taking up this topic on how to describe festivals, how to talk about festivals, or how to speak on this topic. The lots of vocabularies related to festival, the lots of sentences which we can come up with the vocabulary related to festivals, and the lots of phrases and collocations also which are used to express or talk about festivals, which are very simple, very easy, and I'm going to include that also here in this session. Apart from that, of course, I'm going to come up with a small practice session which will include what I like about festivals or festivals in general. I will talk about so that you can get an idea and you can speak on that topic. You can pick up any topic, you can describe any particular festival which you like, you can describe anything about the festival which you love, why do you look forward to festivals, how do you make your festival special, etc, etc. There are lots of things you can talk about festivals. You can just pick up one topic and just start speaking on it. Okay. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now let's begin with the topic. So there are lots of festivals coming up. Raksha Bandhan, Ganpati, Dashera, Diwali, Christmas, etc. The festival season is going to start now. So let's talk about festivals today. Coming to the first part, we are going to talk about vocabulary. So vocabulary related to festivals. The first term related to festival which comes to my mind is festivity. Festivity. What is festivity? Activities or events celebrating a special occasion. Activities or events celebrating a special occasion is called festivities. Now, how do we come up with a sentence related to this word? For New Year celebration, everybody joins the festivities. For New Year celebration, during midnight, everybody joins the festivities. Because everybody celebrates New Year at 12 o'clock, right? People cheer, they wish everyone. So, people join in for the festivities. You know, there's a party going on in your society or elsewhere, or probably at home also, you might have thought of some plans. So, everybody joins in for the festivities during New Year or to welcome the New Year. So this is how we can speak about it. Okay, then comes ceremony. Ceremony. What is a ceremony? A formal event held on special occasions. So it is a formal event which is held on special occasions, like a wedding or a graduation day or an award ceremony. These are called ceremonies. These functions are called ceremonies. Okay, for example, last Friday I attended my daughter's graduation ceremony. Last Friday I attended my daughter's graduation ceremony. This is how you can talk about. Or a wedding ceremony or an engagement ceremony you can speak about. Okay. Another word related to festival is custom. Custom. Now, what is a custom? It is a traditional practice followed by a particular group or society. A traditional practice followed by a particular group or society is called custom. So, every family has its custom, every religion has its custom, and etc, etc. Basically, every family has its own custom, right? It differs from family to family, also what they follow and what they don't. So, for example, It's a custom to give blessings to the newlywed. It's a custom to give blessings to the newborn baby. Okay, then comes ritual. Okay, so it is a series of actions performed according to a prescribed order, especially as a part of a ceremony. A series of actions which are performed in an organized way during any ceremony or as a part of a ceremony is called ritual. So every family has its own rituals, right? For example, every religion have their own wedding rituals, or every religion has their own wedding rituals, right? Another word is tradition. Tradition. These are all very similar words, but they have different meanings, which means a belief or behavior passed down within a group or society with symbolic meaning or special significance, right? Tradition means something which is passed down from our forefathers or our past generations, which we carry forward. That is called tradition. Lighting diyas during Diwali is a tradition, right? Lighting diyas during Diwali is a tradition in Indian households or in India. You can just say like that. Okay, and the word is feast. It means a large meal, specially which is given out during celebrations or during celebrating something. It's a large meal, like during birthdays or weddings or anniversaries or any other event during Diwali, Dussehra, Christmas, Eid, etc. So during festivals, during different occasions, we all feast, right? We all celebrate with a feast. That feast is a meal which is specially prepared on that occasion and we share it with people, right? So for example, we feast on biryani and sheer kurma during Eid. We feast on biryani and sheer kurma during Eid. Next is fireworks. Fireworks or firecrackers. Okay, so we use these explosive things to celebrate festivals or occasions, right? For example, during Diwali and New Year, we see a lot of fireworks or we see a lot of firecrackers bursting, or we see a lot of fireworks in the sky. Okay, another word is occasion. Occasion means a special event or celebration. Okay, for example, festivals are occasions when family and friends meet. Festivals are occasions where family and friends meet. Okay, now let's come to some phrases and collocations which we can use to talk about festivals, okay, or celebration. First is throw a party. We decided to throw a party on a child's 5th birthday. We decided to throw a party on a child's 5th birthday. Next, host an event. Last Saturday, I hosted an event for my friends. Next is mark the occasion. Just to remember my friend's anniversary, I marked the occasion on my calendar. Just to remember my friend's anniversary, I marked the occasion on my calendar so that I can get a reminder. Okay, another phrase is exchange gifts, or collocation is exchange gifts. We generally exchange gifts during festivals. Another one is dress up for the occasion. So whenever there is a festival or any celebration or an event, anything, so we do dress up. Right, dress is a very crucial part of our celebration. We buy new dress, we plan it beforehand, we buy new dress, we wear the new dress with matching accessories and makeup and everything. Right, so dress up for the occasion. Festivals, celebrations are events where we dress up for the occasion. Send greetings. This is another collocation, send greetings. We send greetings during holidays or festivals to our friends and relatives. So this is how we talk about the festivals or celebrations, right? These are some common phrases or collocations which I've just used to help you out with vocabularies related to festivals and celebrations. How do you talk about it? Okay, coming to the last part, I'm going to speak about festivals in general. Okay, I love celebrating festivals. I really look forward to festivals. When the festival approaches, the first thing I do is to come up with a to-do list. Shopping, groceries, planning for gifts, planning for meals, everything I do beforehand. So the first thing on my list is shopping. What kind of dress we are going to shop for, what kind of decoration items I'm going to shop for, and what kind of food I'm going to have on the day of the festival. How many people we are going to invite, etc., etc. There are lots of things we need to do, right? So cleaning our house, decorating our house, buying new clothes, buying gifts, coming up with a feast at home, or preparing a feast at home are very important part of our tradition. We do all these things. Every household does these things and we feel joy in doing this, right? Preparing meals at our home, like home cooked meals, and serving to people like friends and family, a small get together, decorating a house, going out and burning firecrackers. These are a part of celebration, right? And we love doing this. And the most important thing is having sweets during festivals is a must. So we exchange sweets also. We go to a friend's place or relative's place, we give them sweets. They also have sweets to offer during festivals. So we eat there also. So basically we exchange gifts and sweets during festivals. Okay, so this is how I spoke about festival in general. You can take up any festival which you love the most, or any particular thing related to festival which you remember, you have enjoyed a lot, or something which you do during the festivals which you like about. You can just speak up about anything. It's just that you need to know how to speak about festivals, the vocabulary related to it, phrases and collocations also you can use, so that it becomes easier for you to have a conversation on this topic with people, right? We do talk about festivals. We do have our experiences and memories related to festivals since childhood. So we have a lot to talk about. This is the right time. This is the right moment. Start speaking about it in English to improve your fluency and confidence on this topic. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.